This week, you guys are gonna help me apartment hunt and try to not have a mental breakdown, okay? Okay, we've gone through all of our listings. We haven't heard back from this one, but I am obsessed. I want this apartment. Oh, but we do have 4 we're going to see in the next couple days. Mark's checking out these Alani drinks. My sister and her boyfriend visited recently and they left a few of these in my fridge, and I've never in my life been an energy drink person.
Ton
but
of B vitamins.
These are so good.
Ton of B vitamins, bunch of caffeine, bunch of taurine. Kind of like a Red Bull except with B vitamins in it. Pretty good.
Nice. Marcus, did you hear me?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna wear? Well, I have to finish my hair and also get myself ready, so I don't have time to pick out your outfit this time. The most satisfying part, brushing, the curls. Yes, this side will be better. Now my hair's done for the entire week. I'm very pleased with how it's growing lately. I even have like all this new baby hair growth because I've been on my supplements and hair oils, and I can never, my hair's really thick and full, but I can never get length out of it because it's really dry and I have to chop it. So my goal this year is to grow it out long, grow it out healthy while I'm at my natural hair color. I'll definitely do a designated video on my hair care routine and what I'm doing to grow it because it has been helping. Especially as an alopecia girl. I get bald spots all the time. You're cute. All ready to look at apartments.
Yes.
We're going to look for apartments. Yay!
Yay.
Oh yeah, this is the one with the big patio. It's a cool view. The double sink bathroom. That's a pretty small bedroom. Nice to have that little separate balcony though. Parking, Mark.
Oh, it's the clearance. So just the clearance of my cars.
Okay, apartment number 1. Thoughts? Yeah.
Basically.
I don't know.
It wasn't
I like the townhouse vibe, but
that area out the front was super nice. The views were nice. Ish.
Yeah.
You know. The room was too small. There's literally nowhere to fit our couch.
The primary bedroom is tiny,
Really small.
like almost as small as my current one. And I really want a bedroom where you can have a side table on both sides, because right now we don't have that.
We couldn't fit the couch.
No. Just really weird layout.
Really weird layout.
So, on to the next. There's, yeah, this is the balcony. Okay, yeah. It's a nice view. Okay, thoughts on that one?
I like it.
Me too. We're gonna apply.
Yeah,
So-
the view there was amazing.
View is amazing,
Even
spacious.
even on a day like today, it was still amazing.
Yeah. Good bathrooms. The only thing it was missing was a double sink, but both bathrooms have a tub, which I love.
Oh, you're right, it didn't have a double sink. Huh?
Didn't have a double sink, but for the view, I'll accept it. And we could just have our own bathroom.
You gonna send me off?
You can have
Huh?
you can have the worst one.
Fucking flick me off into the
And there's
bathroom?
closet space and there's storage space.
That
go down.
pool.
There's a great
The
pool.
the sauna, the gym, like an empty gym that's well equipped.
Yeah.
How rare is that to find?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Love it.
Yeah. We'll see. My hair got ruined in the rain. Now we're picking out a perfume. They smell nice, I think. I think I'm gonna go with YSL Lieb Warm Florals. Good morning. Last night Mark and I came home and actually put through an application to that second apartment. So fingers crossed, we've not heard back yet. But we have a few more showings today. Mark has some work, so I'm gonna go to the first one solo. And then I actually have to head to an appointment with my surgeon. If you're new here, I broke my arm last August. I got surgery, got 9 pins put in my shoulder, so I'm just going for a follow-up appointment with my surgeon. So to do an x-ray, and then I'm gonna go see another apartment. I think, well, what, Mark, we have a couple apartments to see together later? Two to see together later. But via photos and everything, I'm thinking I want that second one we saw yesterday. And if not, the search is on pause until we get back from Maria. For my acne girls, I've been loving this concealer by IT Cosmetics. It's called the Do It All Radiant Concealer with Multivitamin Serum. So it has like serum in the concealer. I like it. It's great coverage, especially if you have acne and rosacea like me. I just don't really love the applicator. I just feel like it's not really hygienic. And also, I've only been using it like a month and it's almost gone. Hasn't lasted super long. But the formula I do like. It's just like a great everyday skin like, see? It's like glowy. I just put on this, a bit of blush, bit of mascara, and then out the door. Yeah. It's nice. good day, guys. I officially am cleared by my surgeon. I no longer have to go to physio or see my shoulder surgeon. I have retired that part of my life. And we got approved for the apartment. Yay! So we're going out for a drink. We're gonna go celebrate at 2:30 p.m. Because why not? I'm so happy. We're gonna be living in the area where Mark and I first met. Cole Harbor's always been my favorite neighborhood. And when we met for the very first time, where were you? Right at the bottom. He was standing right here. It's our new front yard.
Oh, you like me? Am I the chosen one today? Oh, yes.
Guys, I'm the worst. I did not vlog it yesterday at all. But since this is a Vancouver apartment hunting vlog, good news is we got an apartment. Yay! We got over a deposit yesterday, signed all the paperwork, so that's exciting. Much easier than I expected it to be. My last apartment was very hard to find. So, feeling happy, but I just got swept up into work, signing the new apartment and packing for this trip. So if you watch all the way, love you. And I'm currently in San Francisco on a layover on my way to Moorea for some family time with Mark's family. It looks like paradise and I can't wait. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.